In this video, I'm going to be showing you my own personal thoughts and opinions about IBKR, the Interactive Brokers Group. I'm going to start from a higher time frame just so I can see where I'm at, because this is actually the first time that you're seeing this thing on my channel, this sticker symbol. So basically, we broke bullish here. We have the lows set here, bam, just like that. Let's go 3-month chart, still pretty much the same thing. Okay, beautiful. I'm going to mark up the highs. Just so you know, these are the liquidity. This is the liquidity. Weekly time frame, we have been shifting bullish. Today we're 0.5% up. So we got this bam, bam, beautiful, coming from these lows, and I'm expecting this to continue like this or something like this. So again, nothing on the channel constitutes professional or a financial advice or financial advice. So please do your due diligence. That's about it for the video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Goodbye. See you in one of my next ones.